Hello. Uh, Today is Sunday, and I'm actually, you can see a lot of differences in my previous year video and now the video which I am going to upload. My face is also entirely different from that one, and you can see me very thin. I've reduced 20 kgs of my weight, and I'm more intelligent person now than that, and I got a lot of information, and on that I have formed mind, and I greatly enhanced my skills. The way I am speaking now is entirely different from that one, and how I am achieving all these things in the past few years. It's really fantastic job which I am going to. You can see now life is so much easy, and I'm enjoying it like it is as it is. There is not much to think about all the stuff which is already there, and we must be on the flow. When I am so much want to do all these things, it's all about gut feeling. I don't think these things to be done in an thinking mode. When I'm going to do all these things, if I see these things is not possible or not that thing, that matter of the fact is simple. The simple things which can be done so easily if we start it. It's about starting. So it's matter of start. So when I am starting it, and during that process of starting, when I feel I'm not going to do it, and simply saying, for example, I am going to write something is to be done, and on putting it on paper. Okay, now see, this book is there. This is a very much little small notepad in which I will write like this. Okay, this is handy for me, and this book, what I'm going to do is write down simple task of having coffee. Having coffee. Okay, I have written this one, having coffee. Okay, I will give having coffee. Okay, this is one task. This is my, now it's my challenge. Okay, you can say how it will be a challenge. You can see I am sitting now here on this bed, and I'm talking with this camera in front of me. Now to have coffee I have to get up from this bed, and first and foremost thing I have to get up this from this bed and go up to the kitchen, and if the milk is there I have to boil that milk and add and pour some coffee powder in the uh, coffee cup, and then this boiling milk is to be poured inside the cup, and some sugar or some sweetener is to be added to, and to stir it, and then we can have it for at least that will take 10 minutes, and preparation part it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So it's almost 20 minutes of my time is going to be consumed for the entire process of having coffee. Now tell me, 20 minutes is to be spending, I am spending 20 minutes for coffee. Now next, if my task is going to be meditation. Okay, we all know meditation is to simply sit straight upright in the upright posture where our energy chakras are in straight line, and you can see you can watch your breath by closing your eyes and ears, uh, and sit in the erect posture where your energies are flowing upwards, and your chest out, stomach in, and your roll back your shoulders, and it is that type of thing. For doing this meditation, what I actually need to do is almost nothing. It's nothingness, and doing nothing means, and you are breathing. While we are breathing, what happens? Our life happens. Our life means every cell is burning and giving, and by burning the food, and on burning that food, releasing the energy. For that burning to happen, we need oxygen, so that hydrogen, carbon will be carbon with mixing of the oxygen, carbon dioxide released. In that process, energy is released. For that energy is to be is to be used for various life activities to take in place. And what we are doing with this energy, as I am speaking with you, I am thinking, I am I am sleeping, I am doing lot of bodies fluids in the every organ is functioning to optimum to make me alive. So this is the process which is happening for the past 34 years, without knowing, without my knowing. But without being that process, I will be like here for the past I will be like here in the next 50 40 years. So most of the time, meditation is nothing but having that no thought, having no thought, when it is so easy thing actually, but we make it so complicated because our mind now is so much of thought. We are not free from our thought. This thought is actually very important tool to make us alive. But when we don't need to think, but still we are thinking, means we are not focusing on the things which are really essential to be done. For example, I am so much interested to do something, and when I am going to do it, my entire focus is to be on that particular thing. And what happens? I am not focusing on particular thing, means I am not giving my best. To focus means I have to enjoy the task. I have to be very joyful in that being in that task. So the while doing meditation, my thought is now applied only for the particular task. So there is absolutely, this entire brain focus is there, and that process and that thing is happening. And now I become that task. Example, while doing something, when I am doing something, when I am completely involved in it, then only that task can be completed to the optimum and best possible way. So in that whole process of meditation, what happens? It's simple thing, and this is either simple thing is that key, that task is that like worship for me. I am not there. Yeah, that is the God. My soul is connected to that, where the body and mind is just a tool for me, and my soul is completely involved in that particular situation and task, so that that can be performed well, and that can be fully enjoyable now, because of that complete consciousness, and that is the focus which makes the things that happens. So the focus is always there, but most of the time we are not we are so much of this mental rut and a lot of information in our minds. So to meditation, first and foremost thing is to make our mind, and to make our mind so agile. So for that we need to do some aerobic or cardio and yoga exercises, for which our body energy levels will be so high. We have to have enough sleep as well before uh, taking meditation to take place. Meditation is nothing but we must have that complete uh, focus of mind, but that is not simply happened with lot of activities. So one of the main thing it is to be practiced on daily basis, so that at least start for 30 seconds, just sit for 30 seconds and improve on it for every week, just up to uh, 30 seconds. Start from 30 seconds, in a week's time double it up, like 1 minute, and next week it should be to 1 minute, and next it's 2 minutes, next week it's 4 minutes, next week it should be 8 minutes, next week it should be 16 minutes, next week it should be 30 minutes. And like, if it is 30 minutes, okay, it's enough. And 30 minutes is your target, okay, continue it for a whole year. And then if at possible, next you can go up to 1 hour. That's nothing. And what you have to understand is that 30 minutes of meditation is going to do wonders for us in in mind. In that, mind is to be burnt, we are like burners. When we are like burning candle, the mind is now like a dung, and it is actually helping us uh, in releasing the in releasing that life energy. When we are, lot of things are happening around us, and okay, now